What's good, OTH fam? Oh, it's going down. It's going down today. Master Dub, aka Milo, about to smash him on the pods. We're competing. Stay tuned. Let's see his score. How we got it set up. Sorry for the camera, but we have 2, 2, and 2. We're kind of elevated on the pad. You don't necessarily have to have a pad, but usually we have it 6 across. So strength and conditioning trainers, this is a great way to engage with your athletes. You know what I'm saying? Via Zoom, online. What you get, bro? What you get? What was that, bro? 39, so that means we tied. So usually what we do to keep it fun and engaging, the loser has to do push-ups, squats, lunges, whatever the winner chooses. So, bruh. All right, let's go. About to catch this dub. That boy's scared. Oh, that's what I got again.
39.
39, my guy.
Oh my gosh.
39. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, on YouTube. He caught that L on YouTube. He caught the L. Let me see the actual workout. Let me see today's date. See, the good thing about the app, you can see the dates, the timestamps, the training. He has the same training as I do. I can send it to him, whether I customize it with details, with specifics, and he's able to understand the training. You caught that L, huh? See, they try to be slick. See, this is another benefit of pods.
What do you get?
37, my guy.
This is the last one too.
That boy got them T-Rex arms. That boy focus. Oh, he ain't talking no more, huh? Woo. What you get? That boy tired. What you get? Huh? Did you say something? What happened the round before?
39.
I don't, let's back out of it. You can send it to me, so this is what we gotta do. We gotta exit. We're gonna exit like that, boom. Then we're gonna see, you can see your analytics. You push this little button right here.
Yeah, man.
It shows you the day, the time. See, that's why I love it. So if you were strengthening.
It says no results shown today.
Oh, that's sad, but look, we'll get to the bottom of that. But you can see all of today's data, right? So we have the same workout, I can shoot this workout to him so he can see my stats. Shout out to BlazePod because it's dope. You can share this with your athletes, the people that you're competing against, and just send just like that. Boom, and that's cool little graphic, shows you the stats and everything. He got it, so he has mine. So I called Dubs today. I'ma holla at you, OTH fam. This is another great way, again, if you guys are strength and conditioning coaches just starting out, or if you've been training forever, this is a great way to keep your clients, your athletes engaged, and you can get the data, right, that you want, just in case they try to cheat like he did. You can see how better they're improving, if they need the, you guys get what I'm saying. All right, holla at you guys on the next one. Peace.